Hi, Abhay.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side. Okay. Before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Abhay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Abhay, introduce yourself about your college and native.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Abhay Belamagi, and I'm from Kalaburgi. I have completed my graduation in civil engineering at PD Engineering College, Kalaburgi, and I'm a 2024 batch passed out student.
Okay, Abhay. Like, have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Yeah, I got to know about the CMTI Institute through my sir and some of my seniors.
Okay, like your seniors have completed the course in CMTI. How it is?
Yeah, ma'am. They have completed and I also got placed.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay, like for which course you have joined for?
I have joined interior design management.
Okay, like in IDM courses, what are the new topics you have learned? What are the things you have gained?
I have learned many things in the interior design management, like what are the standard dimensions for the kitchens, wardrobe, and other standalone units. And I also visited many site visits and got many practical knowledge through site visits.
Okay, Abhay, that's nice. Like, where are the site visits you have went?
I went to IBO, Home Lane, Metal Depot, English Studios, IKEA, etc.
Okay, Abhay. Like, how was your interview preparation? Like, how you cracked your interview?
Yeah, I trained from the CMT Institute. The trainers have really helped me a lot. So, yeah, okay.
Okay, Abhay. Like, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors
I,
about CPA and
I,
about your placements?
yeah, I really recommend CMTI because here we will learn many new things as well as the training and the trainers also are very good, very friendly, and they will really help to our careers.
Okay, Abhay. Like, thank you for your feedback, Abhay. Like, have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhay.